Alright guys, today we're doing number 6. This says Ursula surveyed 50 classmates about their favorite ice cream flavors. Each classmate chose one flavor. The results are shown in the circle graph. Now remember, you need to translate. Necesitan traducir. That's the first thing you do. Ursula surveyed. Survey significa encuesto. She asked her classmates. Ella preguntó. Now, what is the total? How many people? ¿Cuántas personas? 50. 50 classmates. What the graph, la gráfica significa is that all of this is 50 classmates. Ese círculo significa que son los 50. They are the 50 classmates. It just says that for chocolate, para chocolate, 42% of 50, 42% of 50 like chocolate. 42% les gusta, de 50 les gusta chocolate. 14% of 50, 14% de 50 like coffee, les gusta el café. And 18% of 50 y 18% de 50 les gusta fresa. All you do is just multiply, nada más multiplican. If I give you an example, if I say 50%, what is 50% of 50? ¿Qué es el 50% de 50? You would say 25, 25. What is 50% of 10? 50% de 10? 5. It's very easy. All you do is multiply. So the first thing you do is you have to change the percent to decimal. Tienen que mover el porcentaje a decimal. And all you do is move 2 times to the left. 1, 2. Move 2 times to the left, so my decimal is 0.42, 0.14, 0.18. And now you just multiply 50 times 42%, 50 times 14%, 50 times 18%. Let me erase this. So just multiply now. This is 0, 10, space 0, 20. Now I add. There are 2 behind the decimal, so I'll move 2 times to the left. So 21 classmates like chocolate. 21 les gusta chocolate. 0, 5 times 4 is 20, space 0, 5. I add. There are 2 behind the decimal. 1, 2. 7 classmates like coffee. 8 times 5 is 40. 0, 5. And I add. 1, 2, 1, 2. And 9 like strawberry. Now, I have this much. If I have this much, how many classmates are in purple? ¿Cuántos estudiantes están en el morado? I would have to add 21 plus 7 plus 9 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So this is 37 classmates. To find the vanilla, all you do is subtract. Para encontrar el de vainilla, este pedazo aquí, the space, this piece, you just subtract 50 minus 37. And 13 classmates like vanilla. Y a 13 estudiantes les gusta el vainilla. But the question asks, how many more of Ursula's classmates chose chocolate than chose vanilla? Remember, translate, traduzcan. ¿Cuántos más de los estudiantes escogieron chocolate que vainilla? So you subtract. And my answer is F, 8. So a lot of steps to this problem, muchos pasos. Number 9, this is very, very easy. The ratio, remember, keyword ratio, we did this last week, hicimos la semana pasada, of boys to girls, so write down boys to girls. In Miss Cunningham's class is 2 to 3. El radio o proporción de niños a niñas en la clase es 2 a 3. How many boys? ¿Cuántos niños? 2. How many girls? 3. It says there are 18 girls. ¿Cuántas niñas hay? 18. So what did I do? ¿Qué hice to go from 3 to 18? ¿Qué hice para ir de 3 a 18? Did I multiply or divide? ¿Multipliqué o dividí? I multiplied by 6. Porque 3 por 6 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. That means I do the same thing to the boys. Hago la misma cosa para los niños. Because they are equivalent, son equivalentes, son iguales. What is 2 times 6? 2 por 6 is 12. And the question asks for, what is the total number of students? ¿Qué significa eso? El total de los estudiantes. So I add 18 plus 12. My answer is B. Very easy question. Number 11 is also very easy. Let's read it. The table shows the relationship between Y, the cost to rent a boat, and X, the amount of time that the boat is rented. Remember, translate. The table, la tabla, this is the table, shows, enseña la relación. Relationship is relación entre Y and X, Y y X. Which graph best represents the relationship between X and Y shown in the table? ¿Cuál de estas gráficas, A, B, C, or D, representa la relación entre X y Y en la tabla? I have time is X and cost is Y. If I make a graph, where does X go? ¿A dónde va X? Does it go from left to right, de lado, or up and down, o arriba abajo? It goes left to right, va de lado. What are my numbers for X? ¿Cuáles son mis números para X? 1, 3, 5, y 7. So that means I have 1, 3, 5, 7. In here I have 32, 56, 80, 104. Now looking at that graph, mirando esa gráfica, what can I eliminate? ¿Cuáles puedo eliminar? Which ones do not have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on X? ¿Cuáles no tienen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 para X? Is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Eliminate. You can eliminate C also. Now, for 1 hour, how much does it cost? Para una hora, ¿cuánto cuesta? It costs $32. Cuesta $32. So let's look at that. For 1 hour, it costs 56. Is that correct? ¿Eso está bien? No. My answer is D. Mi respuesta es D. All you had to do was read. Todo lo que tienen que hacer es leer. Nomás tenían que leer. Very, very easy. Number 17. Maya has 120 caramel apples to sell. Maya tiene 120 manzanas para vender. Each caramel is covered with 1 topping. How many caramel apples are covered in sprinkles? So we do not know the sprinkle. No sabemos cuánto tiene el de sprinkles. What we do here is they tell us how much each apple has. Nos dicen cuántas tienen las manzanas, de qué tienen. The first one for peanuts, para cacahuates, 1/5 of the apples, 1/5 de las manzanas tienen cacahuates. They have peanuts. So all you do here is you multiply the fractions. Nada más multiplican las fracciones with the number, with the total. 1/5 times 120. Porque 1/5 de las 120, because 1/5 of the 120 have peanuts, tienen cacahuates. How do I multiply a fraction with a whole number? ¿Cómo multiplico una fracción con número entero? I have to add a 1 under. Remember, top times top, bottom times bottom. 120 divided by 5, over 5. And remember, fractions are always division. Fracciones siempre son divisiones. Person goes inside and the horse is outside. And now divide. 5 into 1 is 0. 5 into 12 is 2. Bring down the 0. 5 into 20 is 4. So 24 apples have peanuts. 24 manzanas tienen cacahuates. 1/3 times 120 over 1. Do the same thing, divide. How many times can 3 go into 1? ¿Se puede meter 3 a 1? No. 3 a 12. 3 into 12 is 4 times. 3 into 0 is 0 times. This is 40. 3/10 times 120 over 1. What is 3 times 12? Oh, let's do fast math. Matemáticas rápidas. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. And this is 10. 360 divided by 10. 0, 3 minus 30. 6 minus 60. 36. And now all you do is just subtract these from 120. Nada más van a restar lo demás. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add with sumar 40 plus 24 plus 36. This is 5, 7, 10. So these 3 apples is 100. What is 120 minus 100? 20 apples have sprinkles. 20 tienen los sprinkles. Number 26. Russell has a collection of 1,200 pennies. Tiene una colección de 1,200 centavos. Of these pennies, 25% are dated before 1980. How do I change percent to decimal? Move 2 times to the left. 1, 2, 0.25. 35%, which is 0.35, are from 1980 to 2000. The rest are after 2000. How many pennies, cuántos centavos en la colección are after 2000? All you do is multiply, because 25% are before 1980. 35% are 1980 to 2000. 0010 6 space 0042. And now I add. There are 2 behind the decimal. So 300 pennies are before 1980. 300 centavos son antes de 1980. 0010 6 space 0063. And now I add, sumo. 1, 2, 1, 2. 420 pennies are from 1980 to 2000. ¿Cuántos son los restos? Lo que falta, all you do is just subtract. Nada más resten. So I'm gonna add the pennies. 300 plus 420 is 720, 720, and I just subtract. $480 pennies are after 2000. 480 son después del 2000. This one's very, very easy. What is the expression of, what is the value? ¿Cuál es el valor de la expresión? -9 times 2.2. What is negative times positive? Negativo por positivo. Remember, different symbols is negative. And now just multiply. Nada más están multiplicando. This is 18. This is 19. There's 1 behind the decimal. My answer is -19.8. Very easy. Just multiply. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I will see you on the next one.